Welcome to the series Master eComposer Elements. Today's video will show you in detail how to add a countdown timer to any page using eComposer. Before we start, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe button for our channel. If you don't have a Shopify account, feel free to click on the link we attached in the description below. The newest Shopify exclusive deal is waiting for you. Now, go to the Shopify dashboard, select App, and open eComposer Page Builder. In case you haven't installed the app, you can find the link to eComposer on Shopify App Store in this video description. So, from the eComposer app dashboard, select a page where you want to add a countdown timer. Here open the page editor. From the Elements tab, choose the Basic Elements option. You will see the countdown element in the list of elements. Drag and drop it to any position of the page you like. Okay, now I will tell you how you can edit this countdown timer. The Content tab is divided into two sections, General and Change Text. First is General. You can choose a horizontal or vertical layout for the countdown element here. If you want to configure the start and end dates, adjust countdown start from and countdown end at. Next, check Restart on Finish to turn the countdown back on when it ends. Similarly, check Show Progress Bar to enable the progress bar. You can also mark all or select one of the week, day, hour, minute or second display checkboxes to display the countdown time you want. The second is Change Text. This section helps you change the text on the countdown element easily. Take a look at this table to make the right choice for yourself. Next, let's go to the Design tab. This tab includes 5 parts: General, Items, Number, Label, and Progress Bar. General and Items allow you to customize the countdown element with alignment options like left, right, center for desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. Number and Label allows you to customize the countdown element with typography options like font size, weight, family, etc. You can add text shadows and boxes, configure width, text color, and background. Finally, there's the Progress Bar. Progress Bar only appears when you tick Show Progress Bar in the Content tab. With this option, you can freely set the width, height, background color, and border radius. To finish editing, I need to save and publish this page. Alright, I have successfully added a countdown timer to my page. Let's check it out. That is the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or join the eComposer community to get quick support and the latest updates. I'm putting the details in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channels to receive the newest e-commerce page building tips and tricks. See you next time.